Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Instagram tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to check out what is what is trending right now on Instagram. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on professional dashboard. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on inspiration. Then here you go. You have a suggested trending reels right now. So you can slide right here. The more you slide, the more you see some of the trending reels right here. However, you can use this opportunity also to check on what is trending in audio. For that, go ahead and click on audio right here. There you have trending audios right here. Go ahead and click on see more. Just like so. You can click on any of the trending audio right here. And then you can make use of the audio for your next reels. For that, go ahead and click on use audio. And then you can start creating your new reels with the trending audio. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.